Welcome back to Bird Hunting. Here, we have some difficulty with the camera. It's not working good. It keeps on dying. We gotta get a new one. Let's go back over here. Follows.
But yeah, anywho, we're gonna get new batteries, new camera, then and there. We got our money from the shows. I mean, we just began, but we're making bills, we're making millions. We'll see.
Let's go. I'll go, Mark.
So anywho, do you see that up there? Do you see that? That is a good tree right there. Always in the summer, birds come and migrate. And then in the winter, they migrate a little bit more to get where they have to be. But they migrate when they have all their supplies.
Okay.
Wow.
Well, these birds are really weird because birds just migrate in the winter, not in the summer. But they just
migrate.
They also migrate in the summer. They get too hot. They're rare. They're rare to find.
Yeah, he's
right.
I mean, he's right. We'll see.
And over here, the woods, they're good. Very good for the birds.
Oh,
bird.
Those woods are a beauty.
I just heard some birds. Okay, we gotta keep it silent.
Keep it silent. Keep it real silent. Oh, get them! Woo! Close one, fellas. We almost had one bird get away, but nah. Saved us. Let's go.
Well.
Anyways, follow. Get cover. Anywho, what we got here is rare anteater poop. This is very rare in the States. We usually don't have them here, but as I said, it's very rare. Take a close look at it. Wow. Well, yeah. Anywho, carry it on, Alberta.
Well, we just get this very, it's emotional. It's emotional to me.
We kill the birds for a good reason, but
yeah, people keep on judging us. It's alright. We got ourselves.
It's alright. We manly. Okay, let's go, fellas. So here, follow on. Come on.
Hey, Brian. After this, we should go get the birds you killed.
Yeah. Anyways, we could skin them with our knife. Anyways, skinning them will give us very good protection. We could huddle. We could get lots of shelter. We can do anything, anywho. But yeah, we'll see what we do with the skin. So get over here. Over here is dead land. Birds could have came, explored, done whatever. But anyways, anywho, carry it on, Albert.
Well, here, we make our fires every Saturday night.
Yeah, take your seat, Alberta. Remember I caught dibs on this one?
The smoke comes all the way up, kids.
Yeah.
And then when the smoke comes up there, it attracts the birds.
Yeah, tell them, Alberta.
It attracts the birds. Oh, sorry. I thought it was a bird over there. Hey, there's one right there, Billy. Look. Oh, they came over there.
Oh, fuck. One got away, but anywho, it's all right.
Who turned that on?
Anywho, let's keep her going.
See now, we can hear the birds how they communicate. We can listen to bird language. Huh? We hear them. Keep the volume down, Brandon. Keep the volume down. We hear them talking. Brandon, just shut the fuck up.
Sorry,
we do gun safety too, dumbass.
Anywho,
Let's go. Okay, let's keep going over here. We gotta go back to our laboratory.
Come on.
I think it's smart. Oh yeah.
Anyway, close call, fellas. So yeah.
Well, we see our friend over there.
So yeah, anywho, this has been episode 1. So yeah, I mean, stay tuned. You know, come and visit our channel any day.
Yeah.
So yeah.
We'll be back for episode 2. Bye.
Bye.